what I'll be using for the product. And the cream I'll be using today is White Secret. Yeah, White Secret. Is that what's open? This is what it looks like. Yeah, this is what I'll be using today. Some of you have seen this product before, but before I get right into the video, there is something I want to tell you guys. I know some of you guys, the products I'll be using today, like this body ampoule, you've not heard of it before, but this is what people around you have been using on their skin, and they'll be white for the next 6 years without having stretch mark or any skin problem, and they'll tell you it is coconut oil. But in this channel, we review hidden skincare products that I'm sure you have not heard before. So to stay updated on the latest products in the market, press the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that you will not miss out. Yes, also buy your own and tell people it's coconut oil. So let's get right into the video. So guys, this is what it looks like, and I realized that the face cream is quite thick. This is what the face cream looks like, thick and white, while the lotion is quite watery. This is the consistency, and it's quite milky. So I'll just be mixing everything together. Yeah, then now I'll be adding this 2 body ampoule. Please always use a tissue to break this because it's made of glass. So I'll just hold it, this line here, this one, I'm breaking it. I'll put the next one, make sure it's stable. Yes, this can last you for the next 3 months. Then now I'll be adding crude kinacol to the mixture. Adding the crude kinacol, I usually buy this and I divide it into 4 parts. I divide it into 3. So now I'll be adding Skiko to it. Well, using half of this, but since I have used half, I'll just use the rest that's inside. This is to prevent pimples and skin rashes. This is one of the best and the one I've really seen people using, but there's Miracle Dem, which I prefer this one to Miracle Dem. Now I'll be mixing this together. Yeah, the mixture time. This is serious. The crude kinacol is quite changing color. So guys, this is what the finished product looks like. Yeah, a product you can use, no stretch mark, yes, no skin reaction. This is what your neighbors have been secretly mixing, but now it's your turn to mix and say coconut oil. If you want to purchase this, you can leave a comment down in the comment section below. I usually add neem oil and more other things to my products. Yes, so guys, I usually sell these products. Yes, and for a container like this, I sell it for 5,000 naira. Guys, if you're making this product to sell, don't sell it for something like 3,000 or 2,000. You're going to lose, because the body ampoule, I bought it for 4,500. The crude kinacol, I bought it for 1,900. thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification icon, and also to like the video. Yeah, I post video every Tuesday concerning skincare and every Saturday about gymnastic. Stay tuned.